You guys, what's up? Welcome back. I got free stuff! I'm going to be reviewing and trying Public Goods products for the very first time. So if you are interested in seeing me review some new all-natural, well, new to me, all-natural products, see if they're better than what I already use, then keep watching. I am realizing I might have worn the wrong foundation today. This is the foundation I think I use in the summer when I'm a little more tan. Yep, wrong one. We're gonna pretend that I don't look like that. Nonetheless, thank you, Public Goods, for reaching out to me and sending me a bunch of goodies. They have a really cool influencer program where they let you pick out 5 products that you are intrigued to try. And of course, there's some suggestions and things like that. We're gonna chat a little bit about Public Goods first, super brief. I'll leave everything linked below and a little surprise at the end of the video if you are interested in checking them out after we chit chat about Public Goods. You will see me vlog style and actually demo out most of the products. A couple of them I couldn't really use on camera, and we'll talk about that, and I'll talk about them later. What is Public Goods? Well, first off, let me show you what they sent me. So they sent me a shaving cream, shave gel, bamboo toothbrush, spray sunscreen, argan oil, and lip balm. They have literally everything. Like, they have beauty products, personal care products, pet products, college products, like sanitizing stuff and cleaning stuff, and even like little packaged all natural like ramen soups. They have home care. They have so much stuff on their site. I was shook. Ground coffee. I'm like thinking of all the things I was like looking at and wanting to buy. They have refillable shampoo and conditioner and hand lotion and body wash. They take pride in not only bringing super natural and good for you products to you, but also they do a lot of good for the planet. If you become a member, they do have like a membership service. They plant a tree for every membership. All of their packaging is biodegradable, plastic free. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. How sleek. I feel like this is very millennial. Like, we are all about like the chic, the sleek, the minimal. I think it's like so pretty, and it's so soft. Everything is just kind of like this matte white with black, of course, whoops, except for like the argan oil and stuff, which hello, glass bottle, nice quality. Their prices, you'll see when I talk about like the prices of the products, like, are so insanely cheap. So we are gonna pop in my clips. I try out the argan oil, the lip balm, and the sunscreen on camera. Then I'm gonna talk about the shave cream and the toothbrushes. So we're gonna be trying the Public Goods argan oil. I'm gonna be using it on my hair today. This is a product that you can use for, it says hair, skin, and nails. And then if you want to learn more, I will have everything linked. This is a therapeutic grade argan oil. It is completely 100% natural. The only ingredient in here is argan oil. So there's no parabens, there's like no sulfates, there's nothing else. It's 100% organic, natural. I believe this is considered vegan. Yeah, vegan. It's $9.25. It's supposed to nourish, it's supposed to help with dry scalp and dandruff. I don't have any of that. Promote healthy hair growth, repair split ends, which I always have. So I use Moroccan oil, so I'm gonna see how this does in comparison. So I'm gonna show you how I apply this and then show you what it looks like when my hair is wet and then when my hair is dry. So here we go. This is what it looks like. It's a 2-ounce bottle. So we're gonna do this. Squeeze the dropper. I'm not gonna put too much in my hair because I'm wearing my hair straight today and I don't want my hair to look greasy. So I didn't read how much you're supposed to put, but I just put 3 little drops in my hand. Ooh, it smells nice. I'm just gonna put it throughout my hair like how I normally would with my Moroccan oil. It's a little thicker in consistency. The Moroccan oil that I have, it's a little bit more liquidy. I don't really feel it in my hair too much. I mean, I can feel there that there's a little bit of product, but it doesn't feel like it has made my hair heavy or super greasy or anything. Ooh, I can already see a little extra shine. I will show you what my hair looks like dry and then give you a little update. So my hair is completely styled and done. Can we just talk about how shiny my hair is right now? And I didn't use like a flat iron or tool other than this on-air blow dryer brush thing. If you want a tutorial or something or see how I use it, let me know. I cannot even tell you how smooth my hair feels right now. I'm shook. Dare I say, this might work better than what I already use. This is like raw reaction. This is the first time I'm using this ever. The drying time of my hair, sorry, I have an itch, was like sped up completely. Wait till you see the back. Like my hair looks and feels so good. Can't even tell that there's product in your hair at all. Like some oils will make your hair feel heavy or greasy. Not at all. I'm obsessed. The next thing we're gonna try is their lip balm. This is just their regular lip balm. Had a nice little safety seal on it. Again, I've got my computer pulled up so I can read this to you. It's got high-grade ingredients that harmonize with your body to keep your lips hydrated and smooth. And it's $2. And it's paraben-free, vegan, free of sulfates, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and phthalate-free. I think that's how you say that. I have like the world's most sensitive skin. Everything irritates me. When I change one product, my skin freaks out. Not so much with like lip stuff. It's just nice to know that this most likely won't irritate my skin. It doesn't even like smell like anything, which is fine. I don't need like my lip stuff to smell like something. There's what it looks like. Just regular lip balm color. Ooh. Oh, that's, wow. The lip balm I use now isn't even that smooth. Oh, wow. Ooh, it makes my lips look really nice. Oh. It's lip balm, like how crazy could it get? Like I don't like really greasy or like thick lip balms. This is nice and light, but it feels very moisturizing. It feels nice on my lips. It actually gives it a nice little, not even like a shine, just like a nice hydrated glow. So far so good. I mean, it's lip balm, so I'm sure it'll be fine throughout the rest of the day, but yeah, I really like this. So the next thing we're gonna try is their sunscreen. This is 6 ounces. It's a broad spectrum SPF 50. It's water resistant up to 80 minutes. I will be actually working an outdoor promo today. As you guys know, I do like acting, modeling, all that kind of stuff, and I was hired as a brand ambassador for a wireless company. So I'll be representing them at an outdoor event today, which means I need sunscreen. I typically use like a SPF anywhere from like 50 to 70 just because I'm so fair and I'm actually sunburnt right now. So it'll be nice to see how this holds up. It is a spray sunscreen. I'm not normally a fan of spray sunscreens, but I'm in this mode of trying new things, so we'll see how I like this. By the way, I love their packaging. It just feels so nice. Broad spectrum, fights against UVA and UVB rays. It's 100% real. Again, I'm looking at my computer. And contains naturally derived ingredients. It's not supposed to have a white cast. It's also supposed to nourish your skin. It's vegan friendly. And this is on their website, $9.50. Okay, it says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Oh, I'm going in like a couple hours, so I'll have to reapply. Hold 4 to 6 inches away from body. Do not spray directly on face. I already have moisturizer that has SPF in it. All right, we're gonna see. I just did my hair, so I probably should have done this before. Oh, you're supposed to turn it. Ooh! Oh my gosh, how great is that? Ooh, it's nice and like cool. Ooh. It has like a smell, but it's not like a fragrance. Like it just smells like a skincare product. I could definitely feel that it's on me, but it doesn't feel like super wet. Okay, let's do the other side. Oh, I'm not left-handed, so this is hard for me. Am I spraying it far enough away? Nice! Okay, this is almost completely dried down. A little bit on my shoulder because I think I just sprayed extra there. Let's do my chest. I don't think you're really gonna see my chest because my shirt goes up here. And I'm gonna wear jeans tonight. So I will check in on this once I'm there just to see like how it holds up. I don't see any white cast, so that claim is true. Hopefully once it like settles, a little bit of the shininess will go away, so I will update in a little bit. Okay, really quick before I go to my promo, I will try to check in while I'm there. Typically we can't have our phones on us. If I can't get a video of how well the sunscreen worked, we'll make sure I like pin a comment or leave it in the description box. You can see like there's the tiniest littlest bit of shine, but like I'm not worried about that at all. I mean, like I have sunscreen and lotion on, so like you're gonna see it. But on my arms, it looks like it completely dried down. I feel like a little tiny bit of product, but it's not like super greasy and it's not like that bad. So yeah, so we'll see how it lasts in the sunlight. Okay, so real quick before we give final thoughts and little surprise, the shaving cream definitely was interesting for me. So I like a shaving cream or gel for like, you know, armpits, legs, whatever, that is a little bit more like a foam or like a mousse. This kind of came out like body soap, which threw me off a little bit, but once I really like lathered it up between my hands, it went on perfect. It smelled nice. It didn't have like a scent or a fragrance. It just smelled clean. So it was very nice. I don't know if you can kind of see how it's like kind of like liquidy. So it threw me off. Not that it's like a bad thing, but a lot of stuff like irritates me right away, and I had no problem. My underarms feel like super smooth. My legs feel super smooth. Definitely loved this, and this was, I believe, around like $9 or $10. I'll leave all the like links and prices in the description box. And then the other thing that I like didn't try on camera is their bamboo toothbrushes. And one of my friends, I don't remember who it was, said that they started using a bamboo toothbrush, and they sent me a cute little package, and it came with two, a blue and a pink. I mean, like, do you just? Like, how cute. And it says Public Goods on it. It works like a normal toothbrush. For me, it's just nice to know that this is like not harmful to my body or to the planet, so that was really cool. I will probably give this blue one either to my boyfriend or my brother. Yes, I'm dating someone now. Anyway, that is it, you guys. My first time demo trying Public Goods products. Thank you so much again, Public Goods, for choosing me and wanting me to review your stuff. I absolutely love. Well, if you are interested in trying any of the Public Goods products that I talked about today, or any other product that they have on their site, there will be a link and a code in the description box for you to get 15% off of your first purchase and the opportunity to try their membership for free. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!